this was exactly what I needed to do at the right time. The universe provides every single time. I haven't been excited about anything in about 10 years.
Wow.
So I'm super jazzed to do this because I'm dead serious about what are the tools that I need in my toolbox to jumpstart and supercharge this thing and get it rocking and rolling. We're invisible on Google, and our social media, we need to get somebody to help us with a better frequency and consistency, and also with a strategy.
And this normally is the phase where us as the business owner, we have to do more ourselves, whether it's with cell phones or things like that. So I'm thinking, how can I equip businesses that can't afford a big marketing budget yet? So they need to do more on themselves, but they need to know they're doing the right things. Rather than make assumptions, just throwing out content ideas, what does the business actually need? What does the business owner need right now?
I gotta be honest with you, after the week that just passed and the revenue was down and I knew it was there and everybody around me said they were slow, and it's just a real kick. And you're like, oh, you know what? We were up here and coming down, and this was exactly what I needed to do at the right time. The universe provides every single time. So thank you.
Ready to stop guessing and start growing? Book your 1-hour Content ROI Power Hour. On sale now for just $99. Walk away with clarity, strategy, and real direction, or get your money back. No questions asked. Plan, shoot, grow. Vivid's VP.